Wildfires rage in California. Heroes, politics, and unexpected moments unfold. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle work tirelessly to support Southern California wildfire relief efforts. Ohio State's Sawyer secures Buckeyes' national championship spot with legendary scoop and score. LA Dream Center's founder accepts donations as celebrities raise awareness for wildfire relief. Altadena family returns to find home destroyed, embodying bravery amidst devastating wildfire loss. Pastor emphasizes hope and resilience as California wildfires test faith and community strength. Stay informed with our latest updates on these unfolding stories.